Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a solar sensor light by Fucidan. Oh, it looks really cool. And it is powered by the solar planet. It's a star which is born. And it's a sun. And the sun will deliver us the sunlight. And out of the sunlight, this solar light will make energy and gives us a light up at night time, for example. And here you can see the solar lights are installed in my garage, for example, and there is a light. Why? Inside the garage is no solar panel. Inside the garage is no light as well at the daytime. There is a really cool solution in that set here because we have a 5-meter cable. And this 5-meter cable you can attach outside. This is only for example. You can also attach this solar light system inside your house. And the 5-meter cable will brings the solar panel outside to gain up the solar lights with energy, of course, by daytime. Or of course you can install it all outside because it is waterproof, IP65, because this is the Fucidan solar lights for outdoor use. With 190 and 2 light emitted diodes, 270 degrees lightning angle. Super bright solar light with motion sensor. It's a secure wall light with 3 modes. IP65 waterproof wall light for the garden, for example, with 5-meter cable. IP65 protection class. The outdoor use of the solar light with motion sensor is safe. The solar wall light with the motion sensor is waterproof and withstand all weather and outdoor temperatures. With LED bulbs, this garden lamp gives us high quality light for a long time. A very long lifespan with more than 50,000 hours. And an optimal illumination. The solar lights for outdoor use with motion sensor have 192 solar lamp beads. The head of the garden light is 270 degrees lightning angle and swivels 135 degrees and can be used for targeted direction or indirect lighting outdoors or indoors, as you can see. Compared to convenience solar lights, the brightness is stronger and the lightning area is larger. High conversion rate. The solar outer light with motion sensor is equipped with a 5-meter cable and the solar panel can be installed in sunny places. It is more efficient in converting sunlight into battery charging power. The photovoltaic conversion rate of up to 25%. The solar motion sensor light can be used indoor or outdoor. But we have to make sure that the outer solar light cannot illuminate during the day, since the solar panel is equipped with light sensor. This solar panel collects solar energy during the day and stores it in the integrated battery. In the evening, the intelligent solar light for outdoor use with motion sensor automatically turns on. We have only switch once if we use it at the first time, the lever to the on position. After this point, it will make all automatically. After the solar panel 10 hours is recharging, the Fucidan solar light outdoor use as a functional lighting with a light capacity of up to 12 hours of delivery. No socket and no power connection is required. This saves energy and environmentally friendly. And we have 3 lighting modes. The motion sensor mode is the first mode. The solar light will automatically turn on when motion is detected at the night, and it will turn off later after the person has walked away. Then, lightning mode number 2 is the dimming light and motion sensor. automatically turn on in low light at night and set to high brightness when the motion is detected. And we have a normal light mode. It is constantly on at night at the medium brightness, but does not change the brightness when motion is detected. So you see, you have a lot of function here, and it's really easy to attach. The only thing you have to do is drill 4 holes and get 4 screws in position. Then, of course, lay the cable where you like and switch to on. Of course, this solar panels has to be in the area where the light can be, and then you can adjust the solar lights in horizontal and vertical position and then have fun with it. In my case, in my garage now, if I entering the garage at night time, there will be light for me while I'm working by. That's really cool. This is the Fucidan solar lights for outdoor and indoor use with 192 LEDs, light emitted diode, and it is powered by the star. That means the sun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.